There you go. You see that line up there? Okay, now start turning, driver. You are not going to get something on right here. All right. Okay. Now. Whoa. I did that on purpose.
Yeah.
All right, watch out. Nail it down. Get down.
Getting this on. We're getting this on video.
Look at right behind you. There was a lizard on the rock.
Oh, that's where they like to hang out.
I know. It's cute.
Oh shit.
He's crazy.
It's almost there. Oh, he's got it.
Hey, if you start feeling a little light on that ass end, just fucking give it gas and go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Easy, you're about to drop off right here. Once you drop it, you step back down. Got it.
Nailed it.
Awesome.